Fortnite gift card. How to redeem Fortnite gift card. So if you want to redeem a Fortnite gift card, just open your browser. So no matter where you play, whether on Nintendo or PS4 or PS5, just open your browser. Then from here you have to go to fortnite.com/redeem. I repeat, fortnite.com/redeem is the official website of them which you want to go to so that you can redeem your card. Now here, first of all, if you're not already logged into your Epic Games account, which is your Fortnite account, you want to make sure to log in first of all. And after you log into your correct Fortnite account, then here you can see it says redeem your reward card. If you have a reward code, then you enter those code here and then click the redeem button. But if you have a V-Bucks code, in the bottom you can see go here to redeem. So you'll also see V-Bucks written there in your card, so you can check there to confirm it. Once you go here, it says redeem your V-Bucks card and click on get started and simply make sure to enter your gift card pin right here. Once done, just click on the next option, and after that you have to simply choose the device that you play Fortnite on. And just like that, when you click the next option, your gift card will be successfully redeemed inside your Fortnite account. But just make sure that your Fortnite account is selected carefully here, and then you select the device carefully right here as well. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.